study the divisibility test of 11. The divisibility test of 11 is very easy. First we have to find out the odd place numbers and the even place numbers. For that we will underline the odd place numbers and leave the even place numbers. Then we will add the odd place numbers and the even place numbers separately, and from the odd place numbers addition we will subtract the even place numbers addition. अंडरस्टूड ना. सारे ऑड प्लेस नंबर को ऐड करेंगे. जैसे जो नंबर इज एट वंस प्लेस, देन आफ्टर दैट द थर्ड नंबर दैट इज 100 प्लेस नंबर, देन आफ्टर दैट वन लीविंग वन नंबर अदर नंबर. जो भी ऑड प्लेस नंबर्स हैं वी विल अंडरलाइन दोज नंबर्स विच आर एट ऑड प्लेस एंड ऐड ऑल ऑफ देम. देन we will add all the even place numbers. Then from the sum of odd place numbers we will subtract the sum of even place numbers. समझ में आया? Add the odd place numbers मतलब 1, 3, 5. These are odd places ना. Add the odd place numbers, then you add the even place numbers. Second place, fourth place, or if sixth place is there, sixth place, you add those places. अब 1 plus 3 plus 5 में से you minus 2 plus 4 plus 6 if there is, or whatever. If there is no that one, you leave it. So from the sum of odd place numbers you subtract the sum of even place numbers. Now if the difference after subtraction, the number that you are getting, if that is 0, understand? Sum of odd place numbers minus sum of even place numbers is equal to, if 0, then the number is divisible by 11. If that is not 0, the number is not divisible by 11. Another thing, one more thing is over there. Not only 0, if the difference is 11 or the multiple of 11. Example 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66. The multiplication table of 11. If that is the difference, that is the answer as difference, then also the number is divisible by 11. Understood? Try to understand it. It is a little bit typical, but when you will understand it, it becomes very easy. Sum of odd place numbers minus sum of even place numbers is equal to 0. The number is divisible by 11. Is equal to 11 or any multiple of 11 like 11, 22, 33, 44. Then also the number is divisible by 11. Other than this, if there is any other answer like 4, 5, 6, then the number is not divisible by 11. Understood? Now we will understand this with the help of some examples. Okay? See, this is the number 11. Now we will mark the number as odd places and even places from our left hand side. From the left hand side we will mark the numbers as odd places and even places. So this is first number. From the you are writing from this side now. So from the left hand side, this is the first number, this is the odd place number. So the thing we have to find is odd place numbers sum minus even place numbers sum. Now here is only one odd place number and one even place number. So it is 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Now since the answer is 0, therefore this number is divisible by 11. All of us know that 11 ones are is 11. This means it is divisible by 11. Now the second one. This you have understood. Now see the second one. It is 111. How we will find out here. From your left hand side, from the left side of the number, you mark this is odd place, first number, second number is even place number. You leave it. Don't put underline under it. Then you mark the third place number. First number and third number you have underlined, and the second number you have left. Now in this formula we will put the answers, the digits. Odd place number sum is what? 1 plus 1. This is 1 plus 1 minus even place number sum is what? There is only 1. So we will write 1. This is equal to 1 plus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Since the answer is 1, therefore this number is not divisible by 11. Understood? Now check for this number. Odd place numbers sum. Now what is odd? Which are the odd place numbers? You mark them. This one first number and third number is odd place number, and these two are second and fourth, that is even place numbers. So odd place number sum is what? 2 plus 2 minus even place number sum is what? 2 plus 2 is equal to what? 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Yes, na? It is 0. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. Understood? Now see the third number we will do. The odd place number, first number is 9, then 7, and these are the even place numbers. Add the odd place numbers, it is what? 9 plus 7 minus 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 9 plus 7 is 16 minus 2 plus 3 is 5 is equal to 11. So the difference here is coming 11. So this number is also divisible by 11, and we can check it out. Check it here. 2739 divided by 11. 11 twos are 22 minus 5, 3, 11 fours are 44, then minus it is 9, 11 nines are 99. So what we have got? 0 as the remainder, therefore this number is divisible by 11. So when the difference of odd place number sum and even place number sum is 11, then also the number is divisible by 11. Yes? Now see the next number. Next number is 80,729. First underline the first number, third number and fifth number. These are odd place numbers. Sum of odd place numbers is what? 9 plus 7 plus 8 minus 2 plus 0 is equal to what? 9 plus 8 plus 7 is 24 minus 2. This is equal to 22. Now see, the number 22 is a multiple of 11. 11 twos is 22. When the difference is a multiple of 11, in that case also that number is divisible by 11. We can check it out here. Divide this number by 11 and find out whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. 11 sevens is 77 minus 3, 7, 11 threes is 33 minus 4, 2, 11 twos is 22, then minus, no sorry, 11 threes is 11 nines is 99. So we have got 0 over here. This number is also divisible by 11. So we have found out that if the number that we are given to check whether it is divisible by 11 is having the difference of sum of odd place numbers and even place numbers as 0 or 11 or any other multiple of 11, then that the number is divisible by 11. Yes? Now one more example is over here. Check it out also. Underline the odd place numbers and then find out. Sum of odd place numbers is what? 6 plus 6 minus sum of even place numbers, it is 6 plus 1. What is this equal to? 18 minus 7, this is equal to 11. Yes? Now see, this is 11. Therefore, this number is also divisible by 11. Find it out. 6, 6 divided by 11 is 11 6 are 66 minus 0. 6 comes down. 0, 6, 1. 6, 11 5s are 55. 6, 11 6 are 66. So we have found out that this number is also divisible by 11. So after all these calculations, all these examples, we came to know that if any number is given for testing of 11 divisibility, what we have to do is that add all the odd place numbers first, then add all the even place numbers and then subtract them. If the difference is 0 or any multiple of 11, then that number is divisible by 11. If that is not, that number is not divisible by 11. Understood? We came to know that if the difference of the sum of the odd place numbers and the sum of the even place numbers is 0 or any multiple of 11, the number is divisible by 11. Sum of odd place numbers minus sum of even place numbers is equal to 0 or any multiple of 11. Okay? Understood?